Gaining momentum. Alright, so the next steps. So the smartest thing you can do is to properly educate yourself. So again, congratulations on taking the plunge. But the journey, I'm sure as you can tell, is far from over. I believe you are beginning to see how all this comes together in a meaningful way. Like I mentioned, as you continue to go deeper and learn more, your own style will begin to emerge as you find what you are drawn towards and away from. Maybe you have your own style, and that's okay already. You know, if you've been trading for a little bit, you already know what you're drawn towards. You already know what you like. And over the course of time, you know, our trading evolves and adapts, and sometimes it's just the one, you know, or three things that you didn't think to incorporate, or you didn't think to incorporate them a specific way, that makes all the difference and changes the game for you. So I've within this, I have provided a 10-page chart book with my personal commentary to continue studying charts. Again, very kind of rudimentary, but it has more to do with, you know, the trend focused. But it's important to familiarize yourself with them as much as you can. You know, if you haven't spent much time studying charts, you know, you can look at charts and stare at them all day, but if you don't know what you're looking at, then it's not meaningful, and it's not going to change anything, right? So that's part of why I added this. But it take time to train your eye, but it's like riding a bike. Once you learn to see it, you won't be able to unsee it. So I've included several quotes from the famous Mark Douglas, and I can't recommend his books enough. It takes time to develop the wisdom to understand some of these concepts because they come from experience. And time again, his work has proven true in my own trading, and the disciplined trader and trading in the zone are worth their weight in gold. So go buy them, study them, meditate on them. He's obviously, you know, very, very intelligent and has a ton of experience, and taking time to read and meditate on the things that he said, like I said, in and of themselves, they're worth their weight in gold. Because when you really take time to think about it and break them down, even if you don't comprehend them right away, as we continue this journey, and as you continue your trading journey, one day it'll click, and you'll go, oh my gosh, that's exactly what he was talking about, no kidding. And then it applies, right? As compared to having things continue to happen in the market with no point of reference that helps you connect the dots. So out of the ton of books that I've read, those two are a couple that I can't recommend enough. All right, so talking about part 2, as this one draws to a close, it'll be titled Developing Skill. We'll really build on what you've learned in this course. I believe it will truly blow your mind, and it's where things get fun. The course is designed to introduce all the tools we need to be able to effectively read the charts and price action in a meaningful way. It is chart intensive, which will really open your eyes to the immense opportunities available currently and in the future. We'll dig deeper into market structure and learn the patterns that are created regularly that we'll create trading strategies from. And we'll use a combination of time frames to build market context to increase our odds of a successful trade. You'll learn to anticipate where an asset is likely to go next and why as it moves towards and away from value. Then what to do with that information, and so much more. So that's the end. So we'll see you back at the site, and get ready for the next course. Thank you.